Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pellet grill rotisserie chicken right in your pellet grill. So for this particular recipe, I am using a Green Mountain pellet grill. So we are going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you'll need. You will need a 4 to 5 pound whole chicken fryer, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, paprika, onion powder, dried oregano, dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary and garlic powder, a fourth a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and that one is optional, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or grapeseed oil, and then a quartered lemon and onion. So these are going to be all of your ingredients. And we are actually going to start out with the chicken fryer and then the quartered lemon and onion and get started on this recipe. The first thing you're going to need to do is truss or tie your chicken. So I'm going to link to another video below in the show notes that's going to tell you exactly how to truss the chicken or tie it. And then you're going to prepare the rotisserie attachment. So for this particular recipe, I'm using a rotisserie attachment from Green Mountain Grill. I'll have a link to that as well below. And then you're going to get started by turning the grill on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so that it heats up. The next thing you will want to do is go ahead and add the quartered lemon and onion to the cavity of the chicken. So as you can see, I've just stuffed that right in the back of the chicken, and it's going to infuse flavor throughout the whole chicken while it cooks. So go ahead and get that started. And then we're going to move on to getting the rotisserie attachment prepared. So you're going to follow the instructions on the rotisserie attachment. Essentially, it's just placing these clamps and then the pole through the chicken. So we've got all of that done. Once that's done, I'm going to pat the chicken dry, and then I'm going to coat it evenly with olive oil or grapeseed oil, either one that you choose to use. Then you're going to go ahead and combine in a small dish the seasonings. These are salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, dried oregano, thyme, rosemary, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper in a little dish. And then you're just going to evenly coat the chicken with it. So we're going to evenly place that over the back, the front, and all around the chicken. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and add the attachment to the pellet grill. So this just locks into your pellet grill. And then you're going to go ahead and cook this for 2 to 2.5 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is going to rotate the entire time it's on the grill, just like it would in a traditional rotisserie. So right now, this is what it looks like just a few minutes before I get it off the grill. And I usually use a ThermoWorks Thermopin to check the temperature. With the pellet grill, there's also a probe you can use too that will alert you when it reaches the correct temperature. So as you can see, I've got the chicken ready to go here. I'm serving it topped with lemon and some rosemary just to garnish it. It's fresh rosemary. And it turns out to be the perfect rotisserie chicken, all made right at home on your pellet grill. You can find this recipe and more over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next one. Thank you so much for joining in today.